Hi everybody, it's Robyn at Great Lakes Science Center. Okay, I am headed out the door on my way home to bunker down for a little while, and I wanted to stop and say thank you to everybody who's joined us this morning and every morning at 10:30 a.m. for Curiosity Corner Live. This morning we talked about coding and algorithms, and with your help we got Baby Yoda from the start of the obstacle course all the way to the end. I can't wait to see what you code at home. On my way out, I did want to stop and introduce you to Robyn. Robyn is an example of an astronaut that NASA uses to explore areas that are far too dangerous for humans to go. And humans is your hint for what we have in store for you tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. So make sure you check in and see Claire, my good friend and colleague, as she takes you on an exclusive behind the scenes tour of our newest exhibition, Body World.